Introduction to Mindfulness. Welcome to this video on mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that involves paying attention to the present moment with openness, curiosity, and acceptance. It can help us reduce stress, increase our ability to focus, and improve our overall well-being. Our minds are constantly thinking, analyzing, and processing information. This can be helpful at times, but it can also lead to stress and anxiety when we get caught up in our thoughts. Mindfulness helps us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. One of the key concepts in mindfulness is the idea of wise mind. Wise mind is the balance between our emotional mind and our rational mind. Our emotional mind is the part of us that is driven by our emotions, while our rational mind is the part of us that is logical and analytical. When we are in wise mind, we are able to make decisions that are both rational and emotionally informed. There are many different ways to practice mindfulness, but one of the most common practices is meditation. Meditation involves sitting quietly and focusing on your breath or a specific object, such as a candle or a sound. When your mind wanders, which it inevitably will, simply notice the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath. The goal of meditation is not to stop your thoughts, but rather to become more aware of them and to develop the ability to observe them without getting caught up in them. Mindfulness has been shown to have many benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep, and enhancing our overall well-being. If you're interested in incorporating mindfulness into your daily life, try starting with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increasing the amount of time you spend practicing. With time and practice, you may find that mindfulness becomes an important tool for managing stress and improving your quality of life.